In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add locations in Google Calendar. Adding a location to your events is a simple step that can make your schedule much more useful. It helps you remember exactly where you need to be, gives you quick access to maps and directions, and makes it easier for guests to find the right place. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from the moment you open Google Calendar, so you can confidently add locations to any event you create. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on your main calendar view, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. This is where all new events start. Go ahead and click on Create. When you click Create, a small event panel will appear where you can begin setting up your new appointment, meeting, or reminder. Here, Google Calendar gives you a few different options for what kind of entry you want to make. For adding a location, you'll want to work with a standard event. So in this panel, click on Event. Selecting Event opens the main event editor, where you can set the title, date, time, and invite guests. Take a moment to check that the basic details are correct. Set the name of your event, choose the start and end time, and pick the right date if it's not already selected. This makes sure the location you add will be attached to the right event. Now, look for the field that says Add Location. This is usually under the date and time section alongside other options like adding a description or inviting guests. Click on Add Location. When you click here, you can start typing the name of a place, a street address, or even a well-known venue. Google Calendar is connected to Google Maps, so it will suggest matching locations as you type. Choose the correct suggestion from the list. Once selected, the location will be saved as part of your event. This means you and anyone you invite can click it later to open it in Maps, see the exact spot, and get directions. After you've added the location, remember to save the event. Click the Save button at the bottom of the event window. Your event is now created, complete with a clear, clickable location.